Welcome back to Revive Right, where we explore the fascinating science behind nutrition to help you live a healthier life. Today, we are diving deep into the ketogenic diet, a nutritional strategy that has taken the wellness world by storm. This is not just another fading trend, it is a scientifically backed method designed to completely change your metabolic state. At its core, keto is a high-fat diet where 70% of your daily calories come from healthy fat sources. You must maintain moderate protein intake at 20%, while drastically restricting carbohydrates to less than 10% every day. By minimizing carbohydrates, you force your body to abandon its primary fuel source, which is usually glucose derived from sugar. This metabolic shift pushes your system into a state called ketosis, where your liver converts fats into powerful energy molecules. Think of it as switching your body's fuel tank from quick-burning, dirty gasoline to a cleaner, longer-lasting source of energy. Once you achieve this state, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning stored fat for fuel instead of relying on glucose. But to make this work effectively, you need to know exactly what to put on your plate and what to avoid. Let us start with the foods you should embrace, beginning with high-quality meats like beef, pork, and tender chicken breast. Seafood is also an excellent choice, providing essential fats and protein without the unwanted carbohydrates that disrupt your ketosis state. Nuts and seeds are your best friends for snacking, offering a perfect crunch and a boost of healthy fats anytime. For vegetables, focus on low-starch options such as spinach, asparagus, and kale, which are packed with nutrients but low in carbs. While most fruits are restricted, low-sugar berries like strawberries and raspberries can be enjoyed in moderation as a sweet treat. Healthy fats are crucial, so be generous with olive oil, avocado oil, and real butter to keep your energy high. Now, we must discuss the foods that are strictly off-limits if you want to maintain a state of nutritional ketosis. Traditional staples like pasta, rice, and wheat bread are packed with carbohydrates that will immediately spike your blood sugar levels. Sugary treats, desserts, and sweetened beverages must be completely eliminated to prevent your body from switching back to glucose burning. Even starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn contain too many carbs and should be avoided to keep your progress steady. Let us look at a practical menu, starting with a breakfast of eggs fried in butter, topped with rich cheese. You can add crispy bacon or avocado slices to increase the fat content, ensuring you stay full until your next meal. For lunch, imagine a large salad bowl with grilled chicken or shrimp generously dressed with a high-fat, creamy sauce or oil. The key here is to ensure the dressing provides enough fat to fuel your brain while the protein maintains muscle mass. Dinner can be creative, such as using spiralized zucchini noodles instead of wheat pasta to satisfy your cravings for Italian food. Cauliflower rice is another fantastic substitute, absorbing flavors perfectly while keeping your carbohydrate intake extremely low for the evening meal. Eating this way does not mean sacrificing flavor. It simply means choosing ingredients that align with your body's new metabolic goals. Now, let us discuss the benefits. The most common reason people start keto is for rapid and effective weight loss results. Because your body is burning fat for fuel, you naturally reduce your fat stores, leading to a leaner physique over time. High-fat foods are incredibly satiating, which means you feel fuller for longer periods and experience significantly fewer cravings for snacks. This diet also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that usually follow a heavy, carbohydrate-rich meal. Beyond weight loss, there are profound neurological benefits, as ketones provide a highly efficient fuel source for your brain function. Historically, the ketogenic diet was developed to treat epilepsy, and it remains a powerful tool for managing seizures in children. Emerging research also suggests potential benefits for other neurological conditions, including Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's, offering hope for many families. However, we must look at this objectively. Like any strict dietary regimen, keto comes with potential risks and side effects. A major concern is heart health if you rely too heavily on processed meats rather than healthy natural fat sources. Consuming excessive amounts of saturated fats from low-quality sources could potentially increase your risk of heart disease over the long term. Beginners often experience the keto flu, a temporary condition causing fatigue, headaches, and nausea during the first week of adaptation. This happens because your body flushes out water and essential electrolytes as insulin levels drop, leading to a mineral imbalance. To combat this, staying hydrated and replenishing electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium is absolutely critical for your well-being. Certain groups need to be extra cautious. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a doctor before making such drastic changes. Individuals with a history of eating disorders should also be careful, as the strict restrictions might trigger unhealthy relationship with food. People with diabetes or heart conditions must strictly monitor their medication, as keto can drastically alter blood sugar and pressure. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting keto to ensure it aligns safely with your specific medical history. The ketogenic diet is a powerful lifestyle change that offers scientific benefits but requires discipline, knowledge, and a balanced approach. Success on keto comes from planning your meals, choosing whole foods over processed ones, and listening to your body's signals. Combine this nutritional strategy with regular physical activity and proper sleep to maximize the transformative effects on your overall health. Remember that health is a journey, not a destination, and finding a sustainable way to eat is the ultimate goal. By focusing on nutrient-dense whole foods, you are investing in your longevity and vitality for years to come. Listen to your body, adjust as needed, and do not be afraid to seek professional guidance to optimize your results. Tracking your progress, both on the scale and through how you feel, will keep you motivated and on the right track. Become an educated consumer. Read labels carefully and understand exactly what you are putting into your body every single day. Hydration remains a cornerstone of health, especially on keto, so keep your water bottle with you wherever you go. Quality sleep is just as important as your diet, allowing your body to repair and recover from daily stressors efficiently. Surround yourself with a supportive community or friends who understand your goals to make the journey easier and more enjoyable. You do not have to deprive yourself completely. There are countless delicious recipes that fit perfectly within your daily macros. Experiment with herbs and spices to keep your meals exciting and flavorful, without adding unnecessary sugars or carbohydrates. Visualizing your success can be a powerful motivator when you face challenges or temptations along your dietary journey. Social situations can be tricky, but planning ahead and being confident in your choices will help you stay consistent. Technology can be a great ally. Use apps to track your macros and ensure you are staying within your limits. Involving your family in meal preparation can educate them about nutrition and make the lifestyle change a team effort. Every day is a new opportunity to make better choices for your body and mind, regardless of past mistakes. Stress management is crucial, as high stress levels can impact your hormones and hinder your progress on any diet. While whole foods are best, high-quality supplements can help fill nutritional gaps, especially during the initial adaptation phase. Your body is capable of amazing things when fueled correctly, and keto might be the key to unlocking your potential. Protecting your brain health is an investment in your future, ensuring you stay sharp and active as you age. Aging gracefully is about maintaining metabolic flexibility and keeping inflammation low, two things that the ketogenic diet promotes well. Never stop learning and exploring new recipes to keep your meals interesting and prevent boredom from setting in. The non-scale victories, like clothes fitting better and increased energy, are often more rewarding than the number on the scale. Portion control remains important, as calories still count even when you are eating the right kinds of healthy foods. Ending your day with a calming routine helps regulate your circadian rhythm and supports your overall metabolic health journey. Remember the golden rule. Prioritize healthy fats, keep protein moderate, and keep those carbohydrates as low as possible. Science supports this method, but your personal experience and how you feel are the ultimate indicators of its success. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with friends who might benefit. Thank you for watching Revive Right. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we will see you in the next video.